the flood, we were the body and 2 lives, 1 life. Sticking it out, letting you down, making it right. Seasons, they will change, life will make you grow, change will make you cry, cry, cry. Everything is temporary, everything will slide. Love will never die, die, die. I know that birds fly in different directions. I hope to see you again. Sunsets, sunrises, living the dream, watching the leaves, changing the seasons. Some nights I think of you, reliving the past, wishing it lasts, wishing and dreaming.
Yeah, and grab that food. Boing! There you go. Might look like a shooter spot a snake in the wild. We're going to pick him up and run him off the floor as hard as we possibly can. I'll see if she'll do that again. Pick him up and run-o!
Temporary, everything will slide. Love will never die, die, die. I know that birds fly in different directions.
What they based the pterodactyls off in Jurassic Park. He's coming in for a landing, not there, over here. Oh, perfect. Give him a round of applause. That is Barry, our marabou stork. Now, Barry is only a baby marabou stork. These guys get much, much bigger than this. This is the largest flying bird in the world. Baz, come on, mate. Here he comes. Steady, steady, steady. Now, hopefully he's going to do a nice little flight over this way.
When the moon is looking down, shining light upon your ground. I'm flying up to let you see that the shadow cast is me. I know that birds fly in different directions. I hope to see you again.
That's the time we're getting right up inside Rocky again. Animal carcasses.
Birds fly in different directions. So fly high, so fly high. So fly high, so fly high.
Now the idea is we're going to add several more of these to our show. Go on, mate, grab that. Whoa, look at that, changing direction in mid-air. How cool is this bird? Probably the most, as I say, agile bird in our show. And hopefully we're going to be able to bring in a whole group of them. We want to have about 10 of these in our show that are flying along with our vultures and also our cranes and our storks in our big finale, and also a big group of parrots as well. We'll call her in one last time. Go on. Lovely. Let's give her a round of applause, guys. That is Edwina.
Life will make you grow, change will make you cry, cry, cry. Everything is temporary, everything will slide. Love will never die, die, die. I know that birds fly in different directions.
Welcome to the Wild Wings Free Flight Perch.
As you see, it's pretty spectacular having these two up in the air, but imagine what it's going to be like when we've got all 12 of our macaws up in the air, doing great big loops around the vineyard. You might be thinking, how on earth are we going to train 12 parrots to fly in flocks around this arena?
Life will make you grow, death can make you hard, hard, hard. Everything is temporary, everything will slide. Love will never die, die, die. I know that birds fly in different directions. I hope to see you again.
though.
To see you again. Sunsets, sunrises, living the dream, watching the leaves changing the seasons. Some nights I think of you, reliving the past, wishing it lasts, wishing and dreaming. Seasons they will change, life will make you grow, death can make you hard, hard. Oh yeah. Everything is temporary, everything will slide. Love will never die, die, die. I know that birds fly in different directions. I hope to see you again. Birds fly in different directions. So fly high, so fly high. I'm flying up to let you see that the shadow cast is me. I know that birds fly in different directions. I hope to see you again. Birds fly in different directions. So fly high, so fly high. So fly high, so fly high. So fly high.
Belly, 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 belly!
One of the most iconic bird species on the planet.
Two hearts, one valve, pumping the blood. We were the flood, we were the body, and two lives, one life, sticking it.
Bears doing an awesome job. All three pelicans in the air today. That's the first time they've ever done that. Beautiful big flights. Have you ever seen a pelican flying over your head? How crazy is that?
High, everything is temporary, everything will slide. Love will never die, die, die. I know that birds fly in different directions.
These guys are found out on the savannas of Africa where they're looking for nice tasty treats, and they're going to be working with huge teams of vultures to act as nature's clear-up crew.
With super strong stomach acids, vultures can eat disease and bacteria-ridden meat with no problems. This saves the other animals from the nasties hidden within the carcasses. Real recycling heroes. Macaws are brightly coloured birds hailing from South America. They're gregarious, flocking in large numbers. They fill the rainforest with a riot of noise and colour as they take to the sky. Imagine what it would be like if the whole sky were to fill with parrots. Flying here are blue and gold, scarlet, green wing, military and immigrant mules. fighting parrots, of zoos and conservationists, the species is making a comeback for the first time. Here before you are critically endangered vultures, cranes and parrots. The reality is you could be looking at some of the last of these birds on the planet here today. The time to act for wildlife is right now. All is not lost. Zoos and conservationists around the world are working together. The team here are official conservation partners with the Macaw Recovery Network, working in South America to save parrots and macaws, and to Vulpro, an organisation on the front line in Africa helping to protect vultures. If you would like to support this work, at the end of the show you may contribute to the Conservation Fund or support the Wild Wings gift shop. 100% of the proceeds will be going towards the conservation programmes.
Ladies and gentlemen, the birds and trainers of the Wild Wings Bird Show. Alright, thank you very much everybody. Lovely crowd by the way, definitely the best group of people we've had all through the picnic by the way, thank you so much. Back to you guys. I'll introduce you to everybody. White storks down here, some of these birds only born this spring. Brahminy kite Edwina in the air, just hit one with the white belly. We've also got black kites in the air, just like Anubis here. There's 3 of those guys flying around. Over here with Daniel, we've got some crown cranes. We've got 3 pelicans out here. We've got Pascal down here, Penelope and Pepe making their way in over here on your right hand side. We have also got turkey vultures, Angelica and Norman somewhere around here, Kevin and Patricia. We've got white-backed vultures, Barry of course the marabou stork, little dudes with the red bucket at the back there, that is Elvis and Jude. They are white-named cranes at 10 weeks old and 15 weeks old, brand new to the show, not to be confused with the crown cranes or the white storks. Lots of different species out here. Lots of parrots too, military macaws like Kiwi here, willow and fern, blue and gold macaws, green ring macaws, scarlet macaws. Lots of different species flying around all together. The show's taken us 7 years to create, as I said. Thanks to our falcons. We've got Daniel over here, Alice, Jaya, Brandon over here, and my name is Zach. That was the Wild Wings for the show. Thank you very much.
That's the best thing I've ever seen. Zach running.
Ah. Watch him, watch him, watch him. I know he's coming, I don't know where I'm. Ah! Watch him, watch him, watch him!
You can fly, you can fly. That just happened!